Today, we'll explore 30 tips from Warren Buffett, Save Money in December, drawing from Buffett's principles of smart spending, investing wisely, and living a frugal lifestyle. Let's uncover how to navigate the holiday season with financial savvy. Number 1. Holiday budgeting. Buffett advises setting a budget for holiday expenses to avoid overspending. Number 2. Invest in quality, not quantity. When purchasing gifts, focus on quality over quantity, a principle Buffett applies in his investments. Number 3. Homemade gifts. Buffett appreciates the value of personal touch. Consider making homemade gifts, which can be more meaningful and cost-effective. Number 4. Avoid holiday debt. Steer clear of accumulating debt over the holidays. Buffett is known for his aversion to unnecessary debt. Number 5. Early investment opportunities. December can offer unique investment opportunities. Be on the lookout for undervalued stocks. Number 6. Plan for tax season. Use December to plan for taxes. Buffett emphasizes the importance of efficient tax planning. Number 7. Utility savings. With colder weather, find ways to save on heating, such as programmable thermostats and insulating your home. Number 8. Discounted post-holiday shopping. After the holidays, take advantage of sales to purchase needed items at a discount. Number 9. Reflect on financial goals. Buffett advocates for regular reflection on your financial goals and progress. Number 10. Give to charity wisely. Buffett is a significant proponent of charitable giving. Consider donating to causes you're passionate about. Number 11. Avoid impulse purchases. During holiday sales, stick to your list to avoid impulse buys. Number 12. Value experiences over things. Buffett values experiences over material possessions. Consider gifting experiences. Number 13. Limit eating out. During the busy holiday season, it's tempting to eat out. Save money by preparing meals at home. Number 14. Shop with a list. Always shop with a list, a habit Buffett follows to avoid unnecessary purchases. Number 15. Use cashback and reward points. Use any accumulated points or cashback offers for your holiday shopping. Number 16. Frugal party planning. Host cost-effective holiday parties, focusing on simple yet enjoyable gatherings. Number 17. Strategic credit card use. If using a credit card, choose one with the best rewards and pay it off promptly. Number 18. Year-end financial review. Review your financial progress and adjust your strategies for the next year. Number 19. Avoid expensive traditions. Don't feel compelled to uphold expensive holiday traditions. Number 20. Plan for next year's holidays. Start planning and saving for next year's holidays to avoid financial stress. Number 21. Keep emergency fund intact. Resist the temptation to dip into your emergency fund for holiday expenses. Number 22. Monitor energy consumption. Be mindful of energy usage with holiday lights and decorations. Number 23. Invest in health. Buffett believes in investing in your health, which can save money on medical expenses in the long run. Number 24. Long-term gift giving. Consider gifts that keep on giving, like investments or educational toys. Number 25. Consolidate and pay off debt. Work towards paying off high-interest debt, a strategy Buffett advocates for financial health. Number 26. DIY decorations. Create your own holiday decorations, a cost-effective and enjoyable activity. Number 27. Utilize free entertainment. Enjoy free holiday events and entertainment options. Number 28. Teach financial literacy. Use the holiday season to teach children about money management. Number 29. Research before you buy. Do thorough research before making significant purchases, a habit Buffett strongly endorses. Number 30. Embrace minimalism. Buffett lives a famously frugal lifestyle. Consider what you can live without. And that wraps up 30 tips from Warren Buffett, Save Money in December. By applying Buffett's principles, we can navigate the holiday season with financial wisdom and start the new year on a strong footing. Until next time, let's embrace smart spending and investing for a prosperous future.